Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to talk about a trading journal that I was working on, and I'm gonna launch that today. It's been live for some time, but I didn't speak about that because I was using that myself. So today I'm just wanna go over this trading journal, and if you are in a position where you need a system to track your options trade, especially if you are into option selling, then this would be the perfect trading journal that you can leverage. And I'm gonna just give a quick demo and talk about the features that it has, and I'm sure you're gonna love that. So if you're interested, then please stick around, and with that, let's start. Hello guys, welcome to 80 Finance. So the trading journal that I was working on is called Trading Journal in my website. So the link is gonna be tradingjournal.financewith80.com. Let me just go directly to my desktop, and then I'm gonna give you a quick demo about the platform. Okay, so this is the one, and if you go to trading-journal.financewith80.com, that's the page that you will land on. And this is a comprehensive, specifically targeted to track your options. And as you can see right now, I have just kept it as a manual general, and it's not integrated with brokerages. That's in my next phase, but for now you can definitely use this to keep track of all the profit and losses. And remember, that's the key thing. Whenever you get to options trading, it's always a good idea to keep your journals, keep your mistakes that you make, and not repeat them, right? So this is a very good way that you can improve your options trading. So let me just quickly go over the things, right? So you get the sign in here, right? So you can sign in using you can create your account with your email addresses, or you can simply use the social login, right? So once you log in to the platform, that's the platform that you will see. And as you can see, it has 4 tabs, right? So this is gonna track all your trades. This is the portfolio right now, since I have not added any stocks on this, so that's gonna be empty. And this is the analytics page where you will be seeing all your trades, right? Or your monthly profit and losses here. So those are the main, I've kept it very simple, and it's very easy to navigate it around. And it's gonna on the dashboard page, you want to see all the details in one go, right? So that's the platform. And let me show you quickly two of the most uh, typical options strategies that people use, and how you can actually very simply track them here in the platform. Okay, so the first thing, what you can see is you can add your trade, right? So you can add your trades. Let's say you are doing maybe Tesla, right? So you do add the Tesla here. You say sell to open, right? You have basically these 4 things that you can do, right? Sell to open. I am, as you know, mostly on the selling side, so that's why it's sell to open. I'll just do. You can optionally say which strategy it is, and that's a good way that you can track that which strategy is making you more profit and which strategies are not working out. So you can easily filter it out, right? So this is a cash secured put. You say option type as put because you're doing sell to open, right? Put. And strike price, let's say you are, I'm just taking some random number, right? So let's say you started with the 450 strike price, right? And expiry is this week, right? And you collected just for example, you collected maybe $170. Okay, so that's how you log your trade, and that's the trade, right, which you can see here. So now you have this trade, right, which says sell to open. You have one contract of that. You can have multiple contracts, same as when you add the trade, you can do multiple contracts. Now let's say a week passed by, right, and it's a time to close this trade, right? So you closed it, so you can directly close it from here. And let's say you opened it for 170, you collected, and you closed it with by paying $20, right? So you enter 20 and you confirm close. Okay, so when you come to dashboard, you can now see your total realized profit and loss. Okay, until the time it was closed, it will show up here. So let's say if I have another trade, right, of Apple. Okay, so do Apple sell to open, strategy again, classic put, let's say, just I'm giving some example. Okay, so strike price 300, you do next week and you collected, let's say, $100. Okay, so once you add that trade, that's gonna show up here as a unrealized. Okay, so that way you can keep track of what's your potential earning is gonna be for that week, right? If you're a weekly one or if you're monthly, you can use that as you can use this analytics one to track your all the monthly things. Okay, so that's about this one. And as you can see in the strategy breakdown, it clearly shows that you did three of these classic outputs. And the another thing is the assignment, right? Which I found it very tricky in whatever trading journals I was using. So that's why I have purposefully built this one to do that. Okay, so this is uh, gonna show you how you can do it. So let's say you open this Apple, right? And I wanna close this trade, but unfortunately you got assigned on this trade. Okay, so you say assigned, and you will have to leave this as zero because in the assignment you are not buying it back, right? So you are forced to buy it back. So if you say close, you close that trade, and then this was the it says closed and the assigned, right here. So that's it says close assign. And the good part is when you now go to portfolio, it's gonna show you that you own 100 shares of Apple stock. Okay, and it's gonna show you the unrealized profit and loss. That's because you were forced to buy it back, right? That's why it shows it properly here. You can click on the trade history and you can see what all things that happened here. And that's a bit more detail on how it arrived on that, right? So it's gonna give you a quick view of what happened, and just a quick information about how this works, right? Your original cost, and it took account into the premium that you collected, right? Because that was another thing that I wanted to track is how your cost basis keep going down, right? By selling the premium. So a very good way to track your actual cost of owning that stock, right? Because as you sell uh, calls or maybe covered calls or cash secured pool, you collect premiums and that offsets your cost basis, right? So and this general helps you to track your original cost basis. So that was about the overall platform, right? You can definitely play it around. There are a lot of strategies here, covered call and all. Most of them are these four things, right? I mostly don't do buy to open, but there's an option. You if you do want to track your simple buy call, you can do that. And then you can also do simple stock, right? If you want to do swing trading, that's pretty straightforward. You can enter your symbol and you say buy, and then when you close, you mark it as sell. Right, so that's a simple stock trading that if you don't want to do. But this platform is purposefully built for options, but it do supports the stock as well. Okay, so that's what's about the platform. There are a lot of things like I said on the analytics side, and you can definitely track. This is one very good view that will give you each day. If you are simply a day trader, this platform you can definitely use, right? So you can track all your trades here and it's gonna show you the monthly view. Yeah. So yeah, guys, so that's about how that platform is set up. And coming to the uh, pricing, right? So I have mostly kept these three billing cycles that you see, right? Billing subscription tiers. So the start, you can start as a free tier, can move on to the, if you want to get more features, then you can go on to the pro, and then premium is the highest one where you will get a lot of things like exporting all your trades. You have unlimited number of trades. So all those good things that you're gonna get here. Now, uh, the last thing, right? I am right now because this platform I'm just launching now. So I have made it completely free for all the tiers. So you do not actually have to pay if you do sign up on this for next 7 days. Okay, if you do sign up for this in the next 7 days, and you can choose any of the upgrade options, you will be upgraded for free. You don't have to enter any payment detail. You will see a dummy payment, but you can always enter anything, and then just it will let you subscribe to the highest tier. And the people who are gonna subscribe to this, I'm gonna keep them free for the at least until the platform is completely have all the features and everything. You can definitely use this platform for free till up to the highest tier. Okay, and that's the offer I'm giving only for next 7 days. So if you do sign up to the platform for next 7 days, you're gonna get all that feature. So yeah guys, definitely make use of this journal. I am interested in getting more feedbacks and what else we can add as a community. I wanna make this. I was struggling to find a good way to journal my options trades, and this is the plan. This is the answer to those problems that I had, right? So I'm gonna keep I have a team, and we're gonna be working to improve this platform more targeted towards the options trading, and there will be more features added to this. So if you want to be in that early ship where you get things for free, then definitely sign up in the next 7 days and you're gonna get all the features for free. Okay guys, so that was it for this video, and I just want to say a last thank you to all the people who have subscribed. If you are watching this first time, definitely guys do subscribe. There are a lot of options trading videos in my channel that are completely free and you can benefit from that. Robinhood is my main primary platform. If you are in Robinhood, definitely subscribe, because that way you get benefit from both sides. You get options knowledge, and you get live trading on how to set up your trades. I will talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.